An immigrant is a person who comes to live permanently in a foreign country. They are often seeking better economic opportunities, political asylum, or to be reunited with family members. H-1B visa holders are not immigrants, they are temporary foreign workers. They are allowed to live and work in the United States for a specific period of time, but they are not granted permanent residency. The main difference between an immigrant and an H-1B visa holder is that an immigrant has the intention of staying in the United States permanently, while an H-1B visa holder only intends to stay for a specific period of time. H-1B visa holders are still considered immigrants for tax purposes, but they do not have the same rights and privileges as permanent residents or citizens. The key differences between immigrants and H-1B visa holders. Intent to stay in the United States. Immigrant intent to stay in USA is permanent. Versus H-1B visa holder intent to stay in USA is temporary. Rights and privileges. Immigrant rights and privileges same as citizens and permanent residents. Versus H-1B visa holder rights and privileges is limited. Tax status. Immigrant has immigrant tax status. Versus H-1B visa holder also has immigrant tax status. It is important to note that there are many different types of immigrants, and not all immigrants are created equal. Some immigrants have more rights and privileges than others, depending on their country of origin, their visa status, and their length of stay in the United States. Dual intent does not mean that the H-1B visa is an immigrant visa. It simply means that an H-1B visa holder is allowed to have the intention of immigrating to the United States while they are still in the United States on a temporary basis. This is a major difference between the H-1B visa and other non-immigrant visas, which typically require visa holders to have the intention of returning to their home country after their stay in the United States. The dual intent provision for the H-1B visa was created to allow highly skilled foreign workers to come to the United States to work in specialty occupations. This provision allows H-1B visa holders to come to the United States with the intention of staying permanently, if they are able to obtain a green card. It is important to note that not all H-1B visa holders will be able to obtain a green card. The green card process is very competitive, and there are only a limited number of green cards available each year. However, the dual intent provision allows H-1B visa holders to start the green card process while they are still in the United States, which gives them a better chance of eventually obtaining permanent residency.